Before you consider buying Kipsu for your real estate property management needs, here are 12 things you need to know. We'll also compare it to its competitors so you can make an informed decision and avoid wasting time or money. First off, Kipsu provides real-time customer service support, which is one of its standout features. This means property managers can immediately address tenant issues without the delays that can come with email support or tickets. However, other platforms like AppFolio also offer live chat, but Kipsu takes it a step further by integrating this support directly into the property management dashboard. Next thing to note is Kipsu's real-time feedback feature. It's great for gathering tenant opinions, which helps improve property management and tenant satisfaction. While other property management tools might have survey capabilities, Kipsu focuses heavily on instant feedback, making it stand out in terms of responsiveness. The third thing is its integration with marketing tools. Kipsu allows property managers to boost their visibility by integrating with tools like Google Ads and social media platforms, which is a major advantage for those looking to improve their property marketing. Competitors like Buildium don't offer such direct integrations, making Kipsu a strong choice for marketing-minded property managers. The fourth thing to know is Kipsu's data analytics. It provides insightful reports on customer interactions, helping you fine-tune your strategies. However, compared to competitors like Yardi, Kipsu's analytics are a bit more basic, focusing mainly on customer service metrics rather than detailed financial or property performance analysis. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Kipsu's interface is user-friendly and intuitive, even for those with minimal tech experience. It's simple to navigate, but some users have found that it's not as customizable as software like Propertyware, which allows for more flexibility when adjusting settings to meet specific needs. The sixth thing is the cost. Kipsu operates on a subscription-based model, and while it's affordable for smaller property managers, the costs can add up quickly as your property portfolio grows. Competitors like Rentec Direct offer more scalable pricing plans that can be more budget-friendly for larger portfolios. The seventh thing is how Kipsu handles communication between managers and tenants. It centralizes communication, making it easier for property managers to stay on top of requests and issues. However, the system doesn't offer the same level of customization as platforms like Tenant Cloud, which allow for more control over how messages are delivered. Next, Kipsu excels in its tenant engagement tools. It's designed to increase tenant retention with features like automatic feedback requests and follow-ups. This is more advanced than basic communication features in other software, but in terms of overall engagement features, competitors like Zego go a bit further with more in-depth community building options. The ninth thing is Kipsu's support for maintenance tracking. It's an efficient way to manage maintenance requests, but when compared to software like PropertyMeld, Kipsu's features are somewhat limited, especially when it comes to tracking work orders and vendor interactions. The 10th thing to be aware of is Kipsu's mobile accessibility. The platform's mobile app allows you to manage properties on the go, which is a must for busy property managers. While competitors like Buildium also offer mobile apps, Kipsu's app isn't as feature-rich and doesn't have as many tools for remote property management. The 11th thing is security. Kipsu offers standard encryption and data protection, but it doesn't have the advanced security measures like two-factor authentication that competitors like Yardi offer, which might be a concern for larger operations dealing with sensitive financial data. Finally, Kipsu's customer service is generally praised for being responsive, though there are reports of long wait times during peak hours. Compared to competitors like AppFolio, who also offer 24/7 support, Kipsu's service could use some improvement in terms of speed and availability. So, should you buy Kipsu? It's a solid option for property managers who prioritize real-time customer support, tenant engagement, and marketing integrations. However, if you need more advanced features in analytics, maintenance tracking, and customization, you might want to look into alternatives like AppFolio or Propertyware. But if you're looking for a better option to get started for free, check out our recommended solution that offers a wider range of features with a free trial to see if it's the right fit for you.